injector circuit faults on cylinder 1 through 4 on your Saab 9-3 and nobody can figure out why? If that sounds like your car, often the coils and injectors are not the fault at all. It's the engine computer itself, the ECM. On 2003 to 2011 Saab 9-3s, this is a very common failure we see. The engine computer sits in a hot and harsh spot. Inside it are two main processor chips. They're connected to the board by hundreds of tiny solder balls. Over time, heat and vibration crack those connections. When that happens, the ECM loses proper contact with the sensors and injectors, and that's why you get some of your injector codes, misfires, and limp mode that you're experiencing right now. Here at NICS Electronics, we specialize in fixing that exact problem. We open your original ECM, remove the processor chips, strip off the old cracked solder, install brand new solder balls, and then test the unit under load. That renews the connection so your ECM can talk to the engine like it did when it was new. Instead of a 4-figure quote and programming, here at NICS Electronics Repair, we offer a flat rate repair service for $479 and it's plug and play. If your Saab 9-3 is doing this, click on the link in the description down below, send us your ECM, we'll test it, repair it, and send it back to you ready to plug in. All of our repairs come with a 1-year warranty and come with a repair guarantee, or we replace the ECM for you at no additional cost.